Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all in between, what is going on? My name is Cyrex, and we are back with some more of Syphon Filter. I have not played this game in quite some time because I've just been busy with stuff in the other playthrough. But, I decided, I got time, let's go ahead and do this. So where we last left off, we were halfway through, like, one of the church levels, or whatever it's called. And, yeah, it looks like we got a lot of stuff to do still. We still gotta eliminate roamers, 7 guys, and then find the scientists and security cars and enter to the catacombs. So, oh Jesus, what is going? All right, I forgot where I saved this, but apparently I'm just being shot at by this asshole. All right, you're dead. So, yeah, the flickering is still alive and still well. So let's go ahead and keep on. So how are we doing, guys? Today is September 9th of 2014, and lock code required. Alrighty then, I'm going this way then. And things are going pretty good so far for me. I don't know. It's nothing too bad, nothing too bad. And there is an asshole out here. I just don't know where. I guess he's down there somewhere. Let's get up here, and yeah, he's shooting at me. Alright, you could stop that. If you could stop that. There we go. He's dead. Alright, so roll a boat gently down the street. Why am I always playing games where you're rolling? Like, what's with me in that? Alright, I see someone, and now they're dead. Alright, that's depressing. Oh god, oh god. Shit is kicking off. I see him. Alright. So yeah, I haven't played this game in a while, but it feels good to be playing it again. I don't know. I just hope I could get to the later levels, because they can be a little bit on the rough side, if you know what I mean. Oh god, hi. Oh god, okay, this is bad. Alright, this is bad. I don't like it. I'm leaving. Alright, I'm just sit right here. And yeah, he just gets kind of fucked off and just gave up on me. Oh, that was a poor decision on his choice. Alright, so I remember this part. Now we gotta do some little parkouring here. They were doing parkour before parkour was cool. That's what's up. Alright, you could, alright, you could stop. Alright. So, let's run. God damn it, that stupid thing on our screen just keeps on flickering. Day and night. Alright, got some flat jacket, kinda need it. Alright, so let's go. So yeah. I definitely prefer Syphon Filter 2 over this one. Hey, Dick. You get a, oh god, he has a gun. Alright, got him. That was a little bit of a lucky shot, but you know, I ain't complaining. Alright, so we got the car key. There are people coming. Yeah, Syphon Filter 2, I definitely enjoy more. It's just more epic, I think. It's a lot more fun. That's just me, you know. Some people probably prefer this one over that one. 3, I haven't played a lot of it yet. Well, I mean, I've beaten it before. I think I've beaten it before. But I don't remember much of it. I started playing it recently, but I forgot. Or I stopped after like a certain level because it was just hard as shit. But you know, I'll definitely be playing it again before I do a playthrough of that one because it's a little bit too hard. Syphon Filter is not one of those games you can play over again and just for old time's sake and do a playthrough of that. You would have to, you know, do some practice first because this game is a little bit hard. At least I remember this game somewhat, so I'll be good. We gotta open this up. I'll be really good for this one. And it's only like some of the certain later levels that really are gonna give me a hard time. The last level actually gave me a hard time too. Could I just, no I can't. Alright, sorry. I wanted to try something and it didn't work. Now you're shooting me. Alright, you're dead. Sign over here, peekaboo. No, don't seem like it. I don't know which way to go though. I don't even know what I'm doing honestly. Like I'm just strolling along and not doing really much here, except having a thing pop up on the screen every 5 seconds. Oh hi. Oh, you're not shooting. I feel like I remember this part being a pain in the ass. Yeah, this room looks familiar. I think there's an asshole with like a grenade in here, and I don't know where. All right. Hey, bud. What are you doing? Stop. Stop shooting at me. Alright, car key taken. PK something. Alright, so let's see the objectives again. Alright, eliminate 3 remaining scientists. Fine. Alright, so we only got 3 more guys to shoot in the face. And we'll be good. So things are looking up for us, guys. Hi. Alright, sorry. I'm sorry, I did not mean to. I'm kidding. I did mean it. God damn it, get away from me. I'm really gonna have to figure out a way to fix this stupid pop-up thing. I don't know if there's something on the internet about it, but it's annoying me. Okay, I was trying to be sneaky, but you just ruined it. I can't even see. Oh, I got him. Alright. Oh, I ain't complaining. Boom, 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 boom. I believe that's the car key to get over there. Alright, so there's nothing there, I guess. I think that's for a little bit later. So let's go here and hit that. Oh man, I think the next level is gonna give me such a hard time. I may have to look up how to do it, because it's one of the most annoying levels ever. So bear with me on that. Alright, there's a jerk running away. Would you just... Oh, hey, asshole. Alright, I'm dead. Great. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's try to, you know, not die instantly. I switched to PK. I think this is a PK, right? The PK. I probably should have gotten something to drink before starting this. Yeah, that probably would have been smart. But whatever. Alright, so there's this asshole who came at me full force last time. What's this asshole standing on? Oh my god, what is going on? Alright, this is bad. Alright. Okay. Alright, flat jacket. Man, that was a little bit hard. These jerks really love to give me a hard time. Alright, so I see this jerk. And he's dead. Stupid flickering thing on the screen. Go away. Just go away, for real. Seriously, just leave. Leave me alone. Alright, someone over here? Yes, there is. And he is dead. Dead, once and for all. Alright. There's one guy here. No, that's a little further away. I can't use that. Could you just aim at his head? Thank you. Alright. So, what's next on our list of things to do? What do you want?
I found the Rose Chapel and the entrance to the catacombs, but I don't see a way down.
You'll have to find a way outside and work your way around on the ground.
Oh, yeah. So, you can take a wild guess what we have to do. It's pretty different. Oh, you know what? Fuck it, I'm going. So, Gabe, being the badass that he is, decided, you know what? Fuck it. YOLO. Let's just go ahead and dive headfirst into this shit. Literally. Whack. You know, you have guns. You could have easily just shot that out. I mean, if your body could break it, I'm pretty sure a bullet could. Alright, so hi. How are you? Are you still alive? Stop shooting at me. Jesus. These guys just took like half my health. Alright. So this is weird. We're on the ground now. What's shooting at me? I don't care. You can shoot me all you want. You're not gonna get me. We got the KG-34. I don't think it's a real weapon. Alright, where do I go from here? Oh, hey. I'm not real. Alright, cool. I just did a circle around him and just killed him. Sucks for that guy. Alright, so let's go. And, peekaboo. Nope, no one there. Alright. Peekaboo. No one there either. No one there either. Whoop, someone there. And he's dead. Alright, cool. So we're doing good. I don't remember this level that much. Please have enough. Alright, you know what? Alright, you're dead. Okay. Switching to this thing. I heard someone roll. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna ignore it. Oh, hi! Wow, this thing ripped through that guy's ammo. Or armor. Get over his head. Alright, cool. Man, this place is also a graveyard. That's kind of a little bit on the creepy side. I don't know. Alright. Oh my god, what was that? Oh god. Jesus, that scared the shit out of me. I hate the explosions in this game. Great, now I gotta do this again. Oh god. Alright, he's dead. We're back. Alright, this is where we died. So, Oh god. Alright, let's hide. Hopefully, we gotta first get rid of that one dude with the grenades. Because he can cause some damage. He could easily kill us really quickly. Alright, so, he's dead. And now this one dick, who's just hanging over there with his grenades like he's a cool guy. Okay, screw it, I'm leaving. Bye. Alright, you could enjoy your grenades. I'm just leaving. Run away, Gabe. Why are you aiming at him? This one asshole, man, I swear. Oh, hey, scientist. Hi. Alright. Did I aim? I can't say that. I was just doing horrible at aiming just a minute ago. Probably won't show it on screen, but it was pretty bad. Alright, so thank God we got rid of that one asshole. Or not got rid of, but, you know, killed. Or not killed. What the heck am I talking about? Oh, I had a fucking grenade launcher this whole time. Bye! Alright, that's nice. It's always fun. Could have used that grenade launcher on that guy. Yeah, I don't remember anything I have in this game. Because, like I said, I haven't played it probably a month or so. I don't know. It's been a while. Boo. Or peekaboo. Alright, this is a long level. I don't remember this level being this long. Alright. God. Alright. Alright. Alright, that was easy. Flat jacket. Actually, I'm full on health. I don't need it. Alright, so let's go. I don't know where we're going, but we're going. Is this the area we were just at upstairs? God. Alright. You can stop that. Alright. Thank God this G18 just rips through anybody's armor. Alright. Nothing that way. And I guess there is nothing that way. And the mirrors, this thing just super slowed down. Alright. Alright, he's dead. Alright, so we're good on that part. We've gotten everyone dead. Is this... what? We are missing one scientist. Tell me we're missing one scientist. Yeah, we are. God damn it, where is he? I guess I'm gonna have to pause and wait and come back because I don't know where this one guy is. So yeah, I'll be back.